We have been founded on innovation and growth, as well as continuous improvement. And what our future will be is building upon that continuous improvement. You can see our product going down the road every day. Truck grills, truck bumpers, truck chassis skirts. You will see the face of CK Technologies on the face of every truck that drives by.
It is cool to drive down the road with your friends and point out, hey, that's our part. Hey, that's our part.
So what makes CK Technology unique in our industry is our innovation, how we can constantly improve and build upon what we do here to do it better, to do it more efficiently, more effectively, both in the terms of our processes and our core of what we do.
One of the challenges we face here is that the heavy truck market is a low volume, high variability market. A molded part could end up being 300 different end items for a customer.
And being able to identify parts, making sure we have what we need, where we need it, when we need it.
To be able to react quicker, we need to have the systems in place that allow us to do that.
So we can put together a plan.
One of the things that we use QAD for is actually to access all of the data about our business.
I'm constantly looking at reports, financial statements, trying to develop new measurables and finding better ways to help support our operations.
QAD is not just a piece of software, it's a piece of equipment just like the molding presses that we use to make parts.
It's all in there, and it's all the way that we run our business.
To see how our organization is doing, how it's breathing, how it's functioning.
Understand where you started and where you're headed.
CK Technologies is a triple bottom line focused organization. Triple bottom line being people, planet, and profit.
We feel that's really where our true success is at, and when you have all three of those, kind of like this stool, you got a three-legged stool, you can't set up on just two of those legs, you need all three of them.
We want to be an organization that continues to innovate and grow for the long term.
Have input and feel like they have value and can contribute to the organization as a whole. And with that good foundation, comes success. So we can create innovation, we can stimulate outside the box thinking, which helps keep us competitive.
We're CK Technologies.
And with QAD,
we're building
the effective enterprise.